It's time for the annual wood duck house maintenance afternoon. We've got a nice sunny day. We start by loading up a couple of UTVs with supplies, tools, spare parts, ladders, etc. We like to work with two teams of two guys. Makes it easier to get through all of the wood duck houses on the property. So we start by heading out to the farthest reach and then working our way back. Generally, the procedure is drive up to a wood duck house, go up, inspect it, and then from there determine whether or not we can just clean it out, or if we have to repair it, or if we have to replace it. Here we pull up to a wood duck house. We're going to go out and inspect it. One of us will usually head right out to the house while the other one will get shavings out of the back of the UTV, and then we'll head out. First thing is to figure out how to get into the wood duck house. There's a whole variety of different styles, and it can be challenging. In this case, this house has a side opening, but it's really small. This is not one of our preferred versions. It's been used.
Okay. Need to be dug out? I can dig it out.
Okay, yeah. There's eggshells, and Kevin will reach in and pull out all the old shavings, any eggshells, feathers, etc. You'll also notice that he'll very carefully pull out some unhatched eggs and toss them. These things are dangerous. They explode, they smell, so we generally try to throw them far away from where we're working.
Packed down, so I'm kind of digging it
Yep.
up. Now look at all the feathers.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it was a successful nesting.
Yeah, I mean, there's someone that has in there. Yeah, this isn't the easiest one.
Yeah.
I know this isn't a Jeff design.
No, this is not a build your better wood duck house. This kind of illustrates why it's so hard with these small side opening houses to clean them and maintain them. Is that going to be enough?
Yeah, we'll put the rest of it in there. What do you think? Is that good enough level or a little more?
Oh, that's plenty.
That's plenty? Okay.
Yep.
Right. There was
There's the nail.
I see it. Yeah, just
After he pins the door shut, then he'll close the little front maintenance door and we're done. So when we pulled up, I noticed there was a lot of brush starting to grow up around the house. So I'm going to grab the loppers so we can clean that up a little bit. There's just starting to be some stuff growing up around them.
yeah.
As I got close, I could see the roof was gone. So now it's time to fix it.
We need a hammer.
We need a roof.
Oh, and a roof.
I think we can. Oh yeah. I mean, I can fix it with if we get a roof, and Jerry's got some.
Okay.
And I need a hammer. I'll come back and get the drill. You can hold that there for a second. I'll let you go around. You can throw the... Right. On this one, we had to cut our way back to the house. Once we got back there, we determined that it really wasn't worth saving.
Yeah, this one's a bit poor shape here.
Yeah.
That one looks like it was used, but that's what we got.
I don't think it's worth messing with. Oh, let's take it down.
You ready?
Yep. We had a donated house in the UTV, so we're going to mount it on the post here.
That's good. Oh, just a little higher.
Come on, here. Okay, that goes right up there. That's good.
Pretty solid.
Yeah, I'm going to put another one in there.
Uh-huh.
Did I hit the post? I did.
Yep.
All right. And I think this one was already filled.
Yep. Oh, we need a cover though.
Yeah, we need a cover and we need more shavings. We're not.
Okay.
When I was filling it, I noticed the side panel was split. It's pretty common with these side opening versions that they just don't hold up.
Like another screw maybe.
Yep.
Coming.
I'm gonna put a couple. I'm gonna put a screw in there too. Let's do this first. That'll work.
Okay.
Can you hold that up, please?
Oh.
Okay, can you come on this side and
Yep.
push? This house is leaning badly. It's in pretty tough shape, and it's surrounded by brush. So we're going to get the post a little bit straighter, make some minor repairs, cut some brush, and then it will be done. This is probably the last year for this house.
Still mess with that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. There, that looks a little more vertical.
Yeah, quite a bit. How's that? So when Kevin walked up to inspect this house, he got around the other side and realized it was full of mice. So if you watch carefully on the right-hand side as he starts working there, you'll start to see mice bailing out. That's 4. I've seen 4 bail out the back.
5,
Yep.
6, 7, 8.
We started to make some repairs in this house, but in the end it was
Need help.
beyond saving, so we just tore it down.
Okay.
These are typical scenarios of what we experience when we're doing our annual wood duck house maintenance. Most years it's mainly just inspect and clean, but this year we had a lot of repairs and replacements.